motivates others to be like that person.
Minister in charge of Soil and Water Conservation Department, Marquis N. Marak, has said, with Garo Hills facing an acute soil erosion problem mostly due to Juming cultivation, the state government has introduced slopping agriculture land technology called salt technology. The intention was to divert the attention of the people who are practicing Juming cultivation. He said that the technology will have integrated farming system.
Celebrating World Environment Day, we had launched one scheme called SALT, Sloping Agriculture Technology. This we started basically in Garo Hills, and that happens to be my constituency, Mandalgiri village. That was actually, our intention is to divert our people, those are practicing Juming cultivation, shifting cultivation. So to divert them and to give them some alternative. So that was our intention, and that is why we have introduced this scheme called Sloping Agriculture Technology.